Hi everybody, and welcome to Thursday's writing lesson. So this week we've been thinking about different verbs, and verbs are action words that something or someone does. So we're going to continue learning all about the story of the Great Race, but today I want you to start thinking of some of your own ideas. So in our story, The Great Race, the animals raced over a river. So I want you to think today, where else could the animals have raced? Think about places you might have been or places that you'd love to go to. Use your imagination of somewhere special. Where could the animals have raced? So if you have a think about a few now, and then on the next slide I've put some pictures of places that I thought of that the animals could have raced across. So have a little look at those when you're ready. Here are some places and pictures that I thought of that the animals could have raced. So they might be racing down a race course, they might be racing across the jungle, they might be dashing around the pond and across all the trees and between the trees. They might be having an underwater race, so you have to think about what types of animals might be taking part if it's an underwater race. They might be racing across the desert, up and down the mountains there under the hot sun. They might be racing across the beach, they might have to go around the palm trees and across the sea. Or they might be racing through space, and think about how the animals might travel if they're going through space. Now that you've thought of some ideas of where your animals could race this time, it doesn't have to be one of the pictures that I'd put up, it can be your own idea too. I'd like you to draw me a picture of the scene of your new race. So you can change the animals that you'd like to be in your race, because depending on where your race is, you might need to change them quite a lot. So if it's an underwater race, you might need to change them to all be underwater creatures. You can decide where they race, so draw me a lovely picture to show 12 animals of your choice racing across somewhere new. It can't be across a river like in the story, it needs to be somewhere new. So the animals might be running, they might be flying, they might be jumping, they might be swimming, depending on what the type of animal is and where it is. So have a lovely think, and you can colour your picture in and have a think about the animals that you will use in it.